One was horrible and yeah, I couldn't sleep. Then two, I finally did, but you invaded all my dreams. Then three, I felt like dying, and then four, I couldn't breathe. 5 months, you're still with me. I still play